Hey, you are watching AliAziz YouTube channel.
The purpose and use of spill kits. AliAziz Quality Education YouTube channel provided you the medical related topics videos. So don't forget the subscription button. In the dynamic environment of a laboratory, where a myriad of substances are handled daily, accidents are an inevitable part of the landscape. Among these, chemical spills pose significant hazards, potentially leading to harmful exposures, environmental contamination, and disruptions to research. The presence of a well-equipped spill kit is not merely a regulatory requirement but a fundamental aspect of maintaining a safe and responsive laboratory. This article explores the purpose and use of spill kits, emphasizing their importance in ensuring a secure working environment. The purpose of a spill kit. Spill kits are specially designed collections of tools and materials aimed at addressing and managing accidental spills of hazardous substances. Their primary purposes include immediate response. Spill kits enable quick and effective action to contain and clean up spills, minimizing the risk of exposure to hazardous substances. Swift response is crucial to prevent the spread of chemicals and mitigate potential health risks. Protection of personnel. By providing appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, and spill containment tools, spill kits help safeguard laboratory personnel from coming into direct contact with dangerous chemicals. This protection is essential to avoid injuries, chemical burns, and inhalation of toxic fumes. 3. Environmental safety. Spill kits are essential for preventing chemical spills from contaminating the environment. Effective containment and cleanup reduce the likelihood of hazardous substances reaching water sources, soil, and air, thereby protecting the ecosystem. 4. Regulatory compliance. Many regulatory bodies require laboratories to have spill kits readily available and to train staff in their proper use. Compliance with these regulations ensures that the laboratory meets safety standards and avoids potential legal and financial repercussions. Components of a spill kit. A comprehensive spill kit typically includes the following components. Absorbent materials. These include pads, pillows, and granules designed to absorb and contain spilled liquids, preventing them from spreading. Neutralizing agents. These substances neutralize specific types of chemicals, such as acids or bases, making them safer to handle and clean up. PPE, gloves, safety goggles, aprons, and other protective gear shield responders from direct contact with hazardous substances. Containment tools. Items such as booms, socks, and spill barriers help encircle and contain the spill, stopping it from spreading further. Disposal bags. Heavy-duty bags for the safe disposal of contaminated materials and used absorbents. Instructions. Clear, concise instructions guide users through the spill response process, ensuring that the spill is managed effectively and safely. Using a spill kit, step by step. Assess the situation, quickly evaluate the size and type of spill, and determine if it poses an immediate danger to personnel. If the spill is large or involves highly hazardous substances, evacuate the area and call for emergency assistance. Don PPE. Before approaching the spill, ensure that you are wearing the appropriate personal protective equipment to avoid direct contact with hazardous materials. Contain the spill. Use the containment tools from the spill kit to encircle the spill and prevent it from spreading. Place booms or socks around the perimeter of the spill. 4. Absorb the spill. Apply absorbent pads, pillows, or granules to soak up the spilled liquid. Ensure that the entire spill area is covered and that the absorbents have ample time to work. 5. Neutralize if necessary. If the spill involves acids or bases, apply the appropriate neutralizing agent to render the substance safer for handling. 6. Clean up and dispose. Once the spill has been absorbed and neutralized, collect the used absorbent materials and any contaminated PPE. Place them in the disposal bags provided in the spill kit and label them according to your laboratory's waste disposal protocols. 7. Decontaminate the area. Clean the spill area thoroughly with water and detergent, or another suitable cleaning agent, to ensure that no residue remains. 8. Report and restock. Document the spill incident, including the cause, the substances involved, and the cleanup process. Ensure that the spill kit is restocked with all used materials and is ready for future use. Fostering a culture of preparedness. The presence of spill kits in a laboratory is a testament to a culture of safety and preparedness. Training all laboratory personnel in the proper use of spill kits is essential, ensuring that everyone knows how to respond swiftly and effectively to spills. Regular drills and refresher courses help maintain a high level of readiness and confidence among staff. Conclusion. Spill kits are indispensable tools in maintaining a safe and environmentally responsible laboratory. Their purpose extends beyond mere compliance. They embody the commitment to protecting human health, preserving the environment, and ensuring the continuity of scientific work. By understanding the importance and proper use of spill kits, laboratory personnel can confidently manage spills and contribute to a safer, more productive workplace.